Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. We're gonna do something a little fun today, a little different. It's Labor Day, but my son bought a M1 Garand. It's what they used in World War II. This is actually a World War II model. We checked the serial number before he bought it. It's made by Winchester. And I watched him fire it, but I don't think I've fired it yet. So I'm gonna load this thing up, and we got some watermelon down there. These are old watermelons that are not any good, so don't worry, I'm not gonna be shooting a good watermelon. And we are gonna try to shoot this thing, or I am. Which way does this go in? I'll load this thing up, and if you watch Band of Brothers like we used, and I think that's why he wanted this thing, he grew up watching Band of Brothers, Saving Private Ryan, and all that, and I said, I'm gonna shoot that thing on, make a video of it, because I always wanted to shoot one. And I think he's gonna give him a sling and a bayonet later on. So, but anyway, today we're gonna shoot some watermelons. So, main thing is I don't want to get my thumb cut off here. Hold on. Not sure I'm doing it right. There it goes. There we go. It does have a safety. Safety's off. Safety's hard to push on and off. Safety's off. Safety's on. All right, let's see.
Put your ears.
Oh, gotta get my okay, ear protection's on. Safety's off. Watermelons are probably what, 20, 30 yards. So let's try the little one. Am I hitting it?
I wasn't watching. Do it again. I think you either got it or you raised it. I can't tell if you're hitting it or missing it.
Okay, safety's on. I don't know if I was hitting it or not. I'm gonna go look real quick. I just been going through it. I expected it to explode. But this thing, this is sweet. How many shots have I fired? 4 times?
I think so, yeah.
Safety's on. It don't really kick all that bad. You would think it would be really heavy, but it's kind of heavy, but not bad. So let's walk down there real quick and see if I've hit any. Okay, I think I'm shooting either below it. Right here, I hit to the side of it. And I've got 4 more rounds. So let's go back and shoot some more. Now we're shooting it's a low, not a real high velocity. You can't shoot. This is 140 grain. I think 170 is the most they recommend. But you know, we're just target shooting. I asked if I could take this deer hunting, and he said no, so that's kind of disappointing. How am I missing that?
I don't know. It looks like you're right. You're pulling right.
I think I hit a one. I mean, there's all kinds of dust down there. we're shooting into a bank. It's really a good place to shoot for us. Now, we're not big gun people. I mean, we have guns, we have shotguns and deer hunting rifles, but we do like to shoot some. So anyway, did you get the thing flying out? That's just like in, you know, all the war movies. So, man, I really like this thing. Can I have it? I can't have it. All right, here it is. M1 Garand, World War II. I didn't kill any watermelons today, so I think Noah's gonna shoot it, and he's got a 1911 he's gonna shoot. So we're gonna shoot some more, but we're not gonna film all that. Appreciate everybody watching. This is one sweet gun. I can see now how they won the war. Now, we looked up the serial number on it, and it was made in June of 1944, and that's all we know. Now, we could have went over to Europe, could have went to Pacific, could have stayed at home, but it looks like it's being used. Don't you think? And I wish we could find an initial or something on it. But anyway, all right. Just a little fun today on Labor Day. A little history. This was pretty fun. I wish we had some more bullets. Anyway, appreciate everybody watching. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down at the farm next video.